Howdy, everybody. This is Steve KM9G, and it's another firmware update. It's breaking news, breaking news time. Actually, it's kind of more like it's Tuesday. This is what we do on Tuesdays is firmware updates. I don't know. It just seems like these things come out extremely frequently, and they're pretty low value updates. I mean, I'm extremely appreciative that they're putting the time and effort into it. I just wish that there was something more shocking or more. I don't even know what word to put into it, but I'm going to skip doing this firmware. I don't see anything in here that is of interest to me to do a fix. Maybe there's some hidden stuff that we haven't figured out just yet. The last firmware update had a lot of stuff in it. That was pretty cool. This one has two updates, maybe three. So update number one, it changes the way that 6 meters works. For some reason, they had it from 50.1 to 54, and now it's from 50.0 to 54.0. Okay, I don't use 6 meters that much in the winter because there isn't that much 6 meters in the winter where I'm at. Number two, more battery stuff. There's been some interesting developments from the last firmware with the battery. Some people are getting 2.5 hours of receive only. I'm getting almost 3 hours of transmit time, which is pretty good. And some people are setting their radios on fire. So be careful what you do. I've got a video on my channel. Look back in the back catalog for the information on what to do if your battery starts to run away while your radio is off and completely uncontrollable. There is a solution for it. I can't imagine how far it would go. It's supposed to have some internal tests. I'm not going to try and set my radio on fire just to prove that the internal tests work or don't work. I will go through the shutdown procedure. What else do we have besides that? In the base software, they fixed the problem that the RTS signal of the CIV/CAT port could not control the CW transmission. Okay, I am not doing CW transmission via CAT control, so I don't have a reason to update that. And then there are some tips for how to find your serial ports, your virtual serial ports under Windows, and some tips and tricks for using N1MM logger to send CW. I think we've seen this in the documentation before, maybe in a supplemental file. And then the following information is in Chinese. So this time we don't have to translate it from Chinese. This is a preview of the firmware. It's not quite out yet on Radiodity's website, which is the place to get it if you're in the US. I do have some information that comes from the Toads Discord. There is a link to the Toads Discord down below. In addition to the link down below to the Toads Discord, there are also discounts at Radiodity where you can save some money on purchasing this radio or on other products. Stay tuned to the channel for more Xiegu X6100 updates. Otherwise, there is a video right over there. Ooh, I got it right. Right over there that I think you'll find interesting. Thanks for being awesome.